Let's make moussaka, a traditional Bulgarian dish. For this amazing dish you will need pork minced, potatoes, carrots, white onions, tomato paste, paprika, savory, black pepper, cumin, and salt. Start by frying the onions, carrots, tomato paste, minced, salt, and spices for about 10 to 15 minutes. On a glass dish, spread out your diced potatoes on the bottom, then place on top the mixture you just fried and spread evenly as so. Add some water and put it in the oven to bake on 180 degrees to 200 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes. As we wait for the moussaka to bake, let's make yogurt sauce. This consists of eggs, black pepper, and plain yogurt. Now mix. After 30 to 45 minutes in the oven, we will remove the moussaka, and it should look like this. Yum! Now we will add our yogurt sauce onto the moussaka as so. And then back to the oven until the crust is golden brown. After 30 minutes in the oven, this should be your result. Serve this with yogurt, salad, or pickles. Try and enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.